Hey everybody, I'm Eric Cufferin. This is my quick van tour. I'll take you through real quick. It's a 2019 Ram Promaster 136 wheelbase, high roof. It's got windows all around, allows for great ventilation and looking out at the fabulous views. On the top I got roof rack with solar and cellular routing antennas. In here I got some storage basically for, you know, table and whatnot, different things. Have a bed in the back built across here, platform, memory foam mattress from IKEA, different bins for storing stuff back there, and my power station kind of in the back. Also got a refrigerator for keeping stuff cool and ice cream and whatnot. Up over here got swivel seats that turn around, so I can turn this around and be able to sit here, look out at the view, watch the TV, just chill. Some of the other stuff I got in here is I've got a smart setup. Everything is turned on and off by voice, so I can say, Echo, make lights red.
Okay.
She took a little bit there, but she got it. So I've got different smart features and functionality, internet access to be able to, you know, browse and keep people updated while I'm remote in the national parks and wilderness areas. You can see it's not quite finished out yet. Have some blank walls here where I need to finish insulating and paneling, but I just use it as it is. It works fine for me. I don't need a lot of fancy schmancy stuff to be able to enjoy the van and get out and use it. Lastly, have this Webasto heater. Keeps the van warm in the wintertime when you wake up and it's under 30 degrees and you need to make breakfast. Turn that on and keep the van warm. So, you know, this is my van video, quick tour. If you want to know more about my van, there's a more comprehensive video that I've created, as well as I'm going to be having a follow-up video where I go into much more detail about my internet setup that I use in this van and how I stay connected in remote places. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like below. Thanks.